welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a squishy collection
and then one slime at the end.
So let's get started.
It's kind of like a potty like. So the first squishy that I got is this panda egg. It's very squishy.
Next we got this marshmallow cake, I believe. It's pink. And it's very slow rising.
Next one I got is pretty much similar, but it's a chocolate marshmallow cake.
Next I have this alpaca or llama squishy. I actually got this from a toy store. And it's very slow rising.
The next one I got is this squishy fox. It's very cute.
Okay, next I got this lemon squishy, like it's a half lemon. It's not very slow rising, has a little a bounce back to it, but it's squishy and soft.
Next one I got is this panda like bun, and it's very squishy.
Next I have this milk squishy, and here's the front.
Oh yeah, they're all scented as well. That one smells like chocolate pudding.
It's very squishy.
This one smells like chocolate pudding.
Okay,
This smells like chocolate. Next I have this metallic mango squishy. It's metallic somewhere here.
next I've got this panda bun that without the tongue face sticking out. And it's very slow rising.
Next I got this strawberry frappuccino, and it's very soft. It's not that slow rising though.
Okay, next I've got this, again I don't even know if it's alpaca or a llama, so I'm just going to say both, but it's very slow rising.
Next I have this bread.
Or some sort of thing.
Yeah, like it's.
But it's very slow rising.
Yeah, it's very slow rising, and it has this bow around it.
I think it's...
Very slow rising.
Okay.
Next.
Next, I actually got this today. It's this Squeezums squishy. Here's the packaging. It isn't scented, but I'm not going to take it out. And it's this ice cream.
Super scented right there.
Has a little face, but you can't really tell.
So this is my next one. It's this burger cat squishy.
But the ears are like...
Yeah, very scented. It's very slow and soft.
Okay, next I actually got this today as well. The same brand, and it's this poop squishy that is actually yellow. It's very nice, and then the packaging is so cute. Here's the back.
So this is my slime potty. It's glow in the dark. And this is how it looks like. It's very stretchy and very soft. And I will take you guys to a dark room so you can see how it looks like.
Come on! We are going to the storage area, I guess.
I'll be in here by myself. I don't know if you can really see it. It's not that glue. It's because it's like a potty like, but you can see it anyways. Okay, now I'm gonna get out and we're probably gonna end this video. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And make sure to subscribe again and like. And
hit
yeah,
that bell.
that's the end. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.